All right, this video is to show how to change the control board on a CombiVac panel. All you're really going to need is a small flathead screwdriver, these two black clips. These will be used to take off the existing panel. These come in with the machine when you first purchase it. They'll be in a small bag with the manual. If you can't find them, just give us a call, and then you could order a pair through us. They're very cheap. They're like $3. And then lastly, obviously, is the new control board that you order either through our parts website or through your parts supplier. So the first step is to take off the panel. This is when you'll use the two clips. If you run your finger underneath the existing panel, you'll feel a slot on the left side and then also on the right side. And that's where the clips will come in. So the curved part is going to be on your index finger, and then the flat part is going to go on the slots underneath the panel. So once you got them in there, you're just going to lift up, pulls the bottom part out, and you can just pull it down from the top. And now you have the panel exposed. So what you're going to do now is you're going to disconnect this hose. This specific panel actually has the analog sensor. You're going to pull out the USB cable, and then this clip here, you just kind of pinch it right here. You're going to pinch and wiggle it out. Now it's very important before you take off the 4 wires that go to the on and off switch. Each wire has a number on it, and each position on the on and off switch also has a number. So what I would recommend is to write down which wire goes to which port on the on and off switch, because that's important. Okay? Once you got them written down, you're going to use a small flathead screwdriver and take off the wires. Loosen them, take them off. And now you took off the panel. Now also this panel is for a machine that does not have liquid control. It has the analog sensor, which is this piece right here. If your machine has liquid control, it will not have this sensor. There will be a small cable with 4 prongs on it that will show that you'll have to just pull out. Okay? That's the only difference between a panel that has liquid control versus one that does not. And so now that you take the old one out, grab the new one that you ordered, and just put everything back. So this clip, put it back on. The USB cable, reconnect it. And then lastly is the 4 wires for the on and off switch. So wire 17-1 goes to position 13 on the on and off switch. Wire 17.2 goes to position 14 on the on and off switch. And then wire 4.1 goes to position 24 on the on and off switch. And 4.2 goes to 23 on the on and off switch. Make sure you tighten them all the way. After you tighten them, I would recommend give each wire a little wiggle. Make sure they don't come out. All right. And then lastly, make sure this hose goes back in here. So now to put the panel back on, I find that the easiest way is make sure you align the top. And there's 2 clips right here on the bottom. You're going to have to push them up when you're going to push in the bottom part. And then it'll click, and then the panel will be flush with the housing of the machine. And then just turn it back on, give it a few seconds, and the screen will light up, and then you are all set.